Boy, it is amazing how many people are getting more and more into doing things with their hands, being creative, doing woodworking. At the same time, I can say that a lot of people are also feeling that FOMO type of experience, feel like they're missing out on something. Well, they are, but they feel that because they don't believe they have enough room, it's too expensive to get into woodworking, or they just don't have enough time. Well, let me introduce you to something that addresses all of that. The Shopsmith Power Pro 7. This is a complete woodworking system that fits anywhere, but it does all the operations you're ever going to need to do any kind of a project, large or small. It cuts, it sands, it drills, it bores, it turns even. Beauty is it also shape and route for you. With the Power Pro 7, you have everything you'll ever need to build any kind of a project. Large projects, small projects, you're really only limited by your own imagination. You saw that this thing stores here, for me, in a little corner of my garage. It could be a corner of your basement. It could be in a spare bedroom. This is a machine that fits anywhere. Cost? Well, you'll find out when you compare apples to apples, the same capacity, same kind of precision. The Shopsmith is far less expensive than a whole room full of freestanding independent tools. Time? Because of the way the Shopsmith Power Pro 7 is engineered, it actually makes your project building quicker, simpler, and safer. Come over here, show you what I'm talking about. The Power Pro, it uses a smart motor controlled by an intuitive touch screen. When you're ready to saw wood, you press saw. You tell them what size blade you're using, what kind of wood, what you're actually doing, sawing or ripping. It sets the speed for you. You don't have to guess anymore. That alone saves all kinds of time when you're building a project. As far as power, the smart motor will let you run on 120 or 240 and delivers up to 2 horsepower, and it'll muscle through any kind of material like a hot knife through butter. You never have to fight doing any kind of operation. Now, when it's time to go from that saw to your drilling machine, let's say, even that's quick and simple. Notice I never have to take a step left or right to go from one tool to the next. How many steps would you have to take to go from a freestanding table saw to a freestanding drill press? I'm ready to go to work right now. Amazing stuff. When you're done drilling, maybe it's time to do some sanding. Well, watch how quick this one is, friends. Here, all I'm doing is removing the drill chuck using the only tool you need for a Shopsmith, one Allen wrench. From there, it's a matter of adding your disc sander and your dust chute. Everything on the Shopsmith has the ability to plug a shop vac or dust collector in it, so you got no mess. But that quick and that easy, guess what? We're into sanding on a commercial disc sanding machine. Again, it just don't get much easier than that. Your woodworking projects are done quicker and simpler because everything is at your fingertips. I need to show you something else. Come on around this side. I told you this is a smart machine. Let's say it's time for lunch. Well, now I'm going to go back to our home screen and I'm going to hit lock. Nobody can get into your machine now. It's password protected. When lunch is all done, come back out to my machine, enter my password. We're ready to go to work again. Now, one more thing I should show you that makes all your project building faster is our favorites. Here you have preset RPMs, preset speeds for whatever tool you're actually using at the time. Your saw speed, your drill press speed, your sanding speed, your horizontal boring machine, your lathe speeds. It's all there in favorites. Again, no guesswork. If you're not guessing, you're saving time. If you're saving time, you're building more projects. That's doing it the right way. Now, without a doubt, the single most fun tool in anybody's shop The tool that you can knock out the most projects in the quickest fashion ever is the wood lathe. But this is the real creative tool. I'm going to hit lathe. I'm using a piece of software to practice on. It's about a 2-inch piece. So again, there's no guesswork. In any lathe turn, it starts by rounding. The Power Pro just sets this proper speed for rounding. Again, no guesswork. It'll then give us our speeds for shaping and decorating, even sanding. This is rounding. This is smoothing. And this is decorating, shaping. This is having fun in the Shopsmith lathe. Now, if you're not into doing weird offset stool legs, maybe you'd be more interested in your own custom pens done on the Shopsmith. So if you like what you've seen so far, you want to learn a little bit more, you want to see even more, what I would recommend is you go to the www.shopsmith.com website, where you can find out all kinds of information. You can even sign up for a live webinar demonstration where we go into a lot more detail